Hello and welcome to a RockerBMX how-to. Today we are going to show you how to tighten up your one-piece cranks. The tools we are going to use today are a 32mm spanner and a flathead screwdriver. To identify loose cranks, you can apply pressure and feel the play. In some serious cases, you can even see it wobble. To begin, take the 32mm spanner and loosen off the lock nut. Note that this is a reverse thread, so loosening will be opposite to normal. Next, remove the washer. Now, using the screwdriver, tighten up the cone so that it takes out the play in the cranks and secures the bearings in the correct place. Do not over tighten. Now you can check your cranks to make sure there is no more play. Reinsert the washer. Now begin screwing the lock nut back on. Using the screwdriver to hold the cone nut in place, use the 32mm spanner and secure the lock nut on the outside. This will stop the cone from coming loose or over tightening. Check your cranks one more time for any more play or if they have been over tightened. Thanks for watching this how-to about your cranks. Check out RockerBMX.com for more information.